welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very delicious pecan atole. Yes, perfect for these rainy days. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. First things first, getting ready the cinnamon stick in 1 cup of water. We are going to add the cinnamon stick, cover it, and put it on the stove in medium heat and leave it there while we prepare the rest of the ingredients. This is a very delicious and very traditional atole. Let me show you. 1/2 cup of pecans. I am adding it to my NutriBullet cup. 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. To this, I'm going to add 2 cups of regular milk. In total, I am using 4 cups of regular milk. And here, this is the best part. We are going to give it this special and delicious, amazing flavor by using the color, flavor, and concentrate of pecan extract. Yes, this is just not any kind of extract. This is a very concentrated pecan extract that is going to give your pecan atole such a delicious flavor, aroma, and texture. The color is going to be really beautiful. And here I am going to add 1 teaspoon. When I open the bottle of the pecan concentrate extract, it really invades your kitchen. Here I'm just going to mix very well. The milk was very cold. I'm just mixing just like this. And now I am ready to blend. We are going to blend for a couple minutes, making sure that the pecans get nice and blended. Unless you want little pieces of pecans, you could leave it, just put it for a couple seconds and release. But here I want it nice and blended. I really want the pecan to really shine in this atole. And now let me show you the texture. It's nice and runny. You could barely see the little pieces of pecans. But let me tell you, the aroma, oh my gosh, perfect. I am sure once you make it, you're really going to enjoy it. This pecan atole comes out delicious and amazing. 1 cup of evaporated milk, 1 cup of condensed milk, 4 cups of regular milk. And now the cinnamon stick has already released all the flavor. I'm going to leave this stick there. I'm adding the other 2 cups of regular milk, the evaporated milk, the condensed milk, and I'm going to incorporate. I'm cooking this in medium-high heat. I'm going to mix very well so that the condensed milk starts melting away. Mix it well. Once you're mixing and the milk is getting nice and hot, we're going to add the mixture of the pecan. Once you add your mixture of the pecan, do not step away. Do not step away because this could burn and stick to the bottom. So you want to be mixing throughout for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Every stove is different, but once it's starting to get nice and thick, nice and smooth, then you know that it is ready. Right now, it's nice and watery. And let me show you. It's really watery. Continue mixing all the way from the bottom. You could remove the cinnamon sticks. I like leaving it behind so that it really releases all that amazing flavor. So here I'm just mixing until it gets nice and thick and you could run your finger on the back of the wooden spoon and you leave a trace. Once you leave your trace on the back of the wooden spoon, then you know that your atole is ready for you to enjoy. Look at this. The more you cook it, the thicker it gets. But here, just want to show you how easy it is to make this amazing and delicious homemade pecan atole. It's raining outside, it's nice and cold, and yes, why not enjoy a homemade, very traditional pecan atole? If you got to this part of the video, you love this recipe, like, subscribe, and share, and be part of my family. Thank you so much with all my heart. Thank you for always being here, for being part of my family. I really do appreciate it. And here I am ready to prepare my cup. And of course, to my cup, I am going to add a little bit of crushed pecans right on the top, so that when I'm drinking my atole with that amazing flavor, I have the texture of the pecans right throughout my atole. Look at this. This looks amazing. Of course, like I said, I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of the pecans on the top, and then I'm ready to enjoy. I'll see you in just a little bit. My friends, I am completely done with this amazing and delicious pecan atole. Let me tell you, this atole comes out perfect every time, and it's perfect for this rainy day. Let's see how it came out. Excuse me. With all those little pecans on the top, oh my God. Just perfection made at home. When you cook with love, everything comes out perfect. If you liked and loved this amazing pecan atole, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push the notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying this amazing and delicious pecan atole. See you soon. Bye-bye.